Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you all are fine. I've already uploaded such videos for your help. In that sense, I'm going to record today another video. This also talks about online courses. I've already introduced a previous website. In this video, I'll talk about a new website, that is alison.com. It also offers you such online courses without any fee. So what you need to do is just write down here alison.com, A-L-I-S-O-N, alison.com. Okay, this is a website which also offers you millions of online courses according to your interest. What you need to do, you have to enroll yourself here. Once you get yourself enrolled, you have an option. Let's see, 1500 million learners today, and it offers millions of courses online free of cost. So what you need to do here is to first log in yourself to this website. Because you did not use it earlier, so you have to sign up. You have to click on sign up button first to enroll yourself here. You have to do it only once you get yourself enrolled here. You don't need to click that button. Let's see, we have different options here for login. See this, if you have your Gmail account already logged in, so you just need to click on continue with Google. So it takes all the things from Google. Or if you want to write here something, so you could also write here. See this, I'm going to write my name here. Okay, and write your email address here. If you don't know your Gmail address, or you have forgotten it or something else, you just need to watch my another video coming in the subscription link. So this will help you out to create a Gmail account. Tech.education, and then write down here your password. Select any of the password you feel comfortable, and then sign up. Sign up. Let's see, we have logged in ourselves by giving some information. Now what you need to do here is look at this. You have enrolled yourself here. Now you can select any of the course. Here is the course category. IT, language, science, marketing, maths, business, lifestyle, all categories. Let's see, I'm going to select language, or maybe IT. So you have to select IT here. You will have multiple courses here. Look at this. You can have different courses here: database, software development, game, software, IT management, mobile apps, software engineering, hardware, whatever you want to select. You can search free courses here as well. Course types: certificate courses, diploma courses, learning path. See this. Here are there are 66 free online courses. Look at this. You just need to go here, course types, and then select learning paths. So you could, once you select this learning paths, you have got 66 free of cost courses. Whatever you need. Let's see, data science, alternative, biology, and accounts advanced, and much more. So what interests you, you could just select here whatever you want. E-business, e-commerce, and a lot of English language. So you could start now. It won't ask you to pay for it. You just need to start this. Okay, start now. It has 2 to 3 4 hours. It has got videos, online assignments, levels, each and everything. Let's see, these students have already done this course. So in that sense, you can select any of the course. See this, and then you can start learning. New course module, and start now. So we have a lot of things here. Hope you could understand this, and you can enroll yourself here and learn. Will learn a lot. Thank you so much for watching.